Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting on the watch itself, so make sure it's charged above 20% and paired to your phone. Wake the Noise smartwatch and swipe down to reveal quick settings, then tap Settings. This places you right where Wallpaper options live. You do this now because direct access avoids syncing delays. Once in Settings, look for Watch Faces or Wallpaper and tap it. You'll see default faces and an Add or Edit icon. Tap Add to begin replacing the current wallpaper. Now choose where the new wallpaper comes from. The watch's gallery, a phone image, or preloaded faces. You pick the source depending on image quality. Once selected, use pinch and drag to crop and zoom. Aim for 16:9 framing if the watch supports it, because proper crop prevents distortion. After that, tweak complications, contrast, and brightness so time and widgets remain legible. Preview the face and confirm. Make sure to save or send to watch so changes take effect. Finish by tapping Apply or Set on the watch. This writes the wallpaper to active memory and updates your home screen instantly. Once done, swipe back to the watch face to verify clarity and widget alignment. If it looks off, restart the watch to clear caches and reapply the image. If problems continue, remove the face and try a simpler image or repair the watch with your phone. These steps resolve most sync or rendering errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.